Glass manufacturing starts with raw materials like silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. Silica sand, sourced from quarries, provides the main component for glass. Soda ash, derived from trona or brine, lowers the melting point. Limestone, obtained from mines, stabilizes the mixture. These materials come together to create the transparent beauty we all know and love.
I'm here at the heart of glass manufacturing, where precision is key. Weighing and mixing raw materials is a delicate dance, ensuring the perfect blend for quality glass. Watch closely as each ingredient is carefully measured and combined, creating the foundation for flawless glass products. And inside the mixing unit, the magic truly happens as materials swirl and merge to form the building blocks of brilliance. This process is where art meets science, crafting glass that shines with perfection.
Ever wondered how raw materials transform into the shimmering beauty of glass? Let me take you on a mesmerizing journey through the heating process. As the raw materials are carefully mixed, the machines hum with precision, blending sand, soda ash, and limestone into a harmonious dance of elements. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the perfect glass composition. Next, the mixture is fed into the furnace, where intense heat works its magic. The temperature soars, and the raw materials begin to melt and fuse together, forming a molten liquid that glows like liquid fire. Watch closely as the molten glass flows effortlessly, shaped by skilled hands and advanced machinery. The glass takes on a life of its own, transforming from a formless mass into exquisite shapes and designs. The dance of heat and craftsmanship culminates in the birth of stunning glass products, each piece a testament to the artistry and science behind the heating process. From delicate ornaments to sturdy windows, glass emerges as a versatile material that enriches our lives in countless ways. So next time you gaze through a window or admire a beautiful glass artwork, remember the intricate journey of mixing, heating, and shaping that brings these creations to life. Glassmaking is truly a blend of art, science, and sheer magic. Welcome to the fascinating world of glass manufacturing. Today, we're diving into the intricate process of creating float glass, blow-and-blow glass, and press-and-blow glass articles from molten mass. First up, float glass. Picture a continuous ribbon of molten glass floating on a bath of molten tin, perfectly smooth and uniform. This method ensures a pristine surface, ideal for architectural and automotive applications. Next, we have blow-and-blow glass production. Here, a gob of molten glass is dropped into a mold. Then air is blown into the mold to shape the glass. This technique is commonly used for creating bottles, jars, and decorative glassware. And finally, press-and-blow glass manufacturing. In this process, a plunger is used to press the molten glass into a mold cavity, followed by blowing to achieve the final shape. This method is popular for producing intricate glass articles like light bulbs and glass ornaments. Throughout this mesmerizing journey, various machines work tirelessly, shaping and transforming the molten mass into a dazzling array of glass articles. From intricate molds to precision tools, each step is crucial in crafting these exquisite pieces. So, next time you admire a beautifully crafted glass object, remember the intricate process it underwent, from molten mass to masterpiece. Glass manufacturing is truly a blend of artistry and precision, creating wonders that captivate us all. Glass, a material we often take for granted, undergoes a fascinating transformation through the cooling and annealing process. As the molten glass is carefully shaped and molded, it holds within it the potential for strength and clarity. But it's the cooling and annealing process that truly brings out its best qualities. Imagine this: the glass, still hot and malleable, is slowly cooled in a controlled environment. This gradual cooling allows the molecules within the glass to align themselves, creating a structure that is both strong and resilient. This
Watch
process is
closely as the
crucial in
glass is
preventing
carefully
internal
shaped and
stresses that could
polished
lead
to
to
perfection.
breakage or
Witness the
distortion.
precision
But
of
we're
the
not
cutting
done
process
yet.
as each
Annealing
piece
takes
is
it a step
expertly
further.
crafted.
By
This is
reheating the
where
glass
artistry
and then
meets
slowly
craftsmanship,
cooling it again,
creating
we
beauty
further
in every
enhance its
shard.
strength and
Glass
durability.
finishing and
This
cutting are
meticulous
delicate arts
process
that
ensures
require
that the glass
precision
retains
and
its
skill.
shape and
From
clarity,
smoothing
making
rough
it ready
edges to
for its
creating
intended
intricate
purpose.
designs,
So
every
next
step
time
is
you hold a
crucial.
glass in your
Watch
hand,
closely as
take
the
a
glass
moment
is
to
carefully
appreciate the
shaped
intricate
and
journey it
polished
has
to
been on.
perfection.
From a
Witness
molten
the
state
precision
to a
of the cutting
solid form,
process as each
the
piece
cooling
is
and annealing
expertly
process
crafted.
is what
This
gives
is where
glass its
artistry meets
remarkable properties.
craftsmanship,
It's a
creating
delicate
beauty
dance
in
of
every
temperature and
shard.
time,
Glass
resulting
finishing
in
and
a
cutting
material
are
that is
delicate
not
arts
just
that require
functional, but
precision
also
and
beautiful.
skill.
In the
From
world of
smoothing rough
glassmaking,
edges to
the
creating
cooling and
intricate
annealing
designs,
process
every
is where the
step is
magic
crucial.
truly
Watch
happens.
closely as
It's
the
a
glass is
testament to the
carefully
skill and
shaped
precision
and
of
polished to
artisans who
perfection.
understand the
Witness
science
the
behind the
precision of
art.
the cutting
So,
process as each
the next
piece
time
is
you raise a
expertly
glass,
crafted.
remember the
This is
journey
where
it took to get
artistry
there,
meets
and
craftsmanship,
toast to the wonders
creating
of
beauty
cooling
in
and
every
annealing.
shard. Glass finishing and cutting are delicate arts that require precision and skill. From smoothing rough edges to creating intricate designs, every step is crucial. Watch closely as the glass is carefully shaped and polished to perfection. Witness the precision of the cutting process as each piece is expertly crafted. This is where artistry meets craftsmanship, creating beauty in every shard.